Jumps and bobs. You should always start out by teaching bunny hops first. In shallow water, have swimmers fully submerge and push off the bottom, jumping up and out of the water like a rocket. This gets them used to the sensation of going towards the bottom of the pool and coming back up. Use this sequence to help the swimmers get more comfortable. Start with the seated entry. Have them sit at the edge of the pool, turn their bodies, and slide themselves into the water. Next, you will try the squat jump. From a squatting position on the edge, guide the swimmers to jump forward into the water. Keep your hands ready to assist as needed. When swimmers are ready, move to a standing jump. Have them stand on the edge of the pool and jump out to you, holding one or both hands if needed. Use a countdown to push the swimmers to try. Always remind swimmers that they should never jump directly towards you. Position yourself slightly off to the side and have them jump towards your arm. Be aware that beginners often hesitate, then lunge forward at the last second. Anticipate this so you're ready to assist or redirect their movement safely. It's very common for swimmers to be fearful of jumping, especially the first few times. So as they gain comfort, gradually reduce your support until they can jump independently.